This is Srinivas Reddy. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about effective atomic number. What is the effective atomic number? The total number of electrons acquired by the central metal atom in a coordination compounds, gaining them either ligands or other atoms is called as what? Effective atomic number. This effective atomic number denoted by what? EAN. This EAN formula is EAN is equal to Z minus X plus coordination number into coordination number into 2. In this formula, Z means atomic number of the metal atom, X means oxidation number of the metal atom, coordination number means coordination number is equal number of ligands into density of ligands. That is, coordination number means equal to number of ligands into density of ligands. That is, total formula of AN is equal to Z minus X plus coordination number means number of ligands, that is we are denoted L, into density of ligands, that is denoted by D, into 2, where 2 is equal to each ligand donate one pair of electrons in a coordination compounds. That's why we are using this number 2. We are using this formula. We are find out EN value of various compounds. Okay, we are using one example. How to calculate this EN values? Let us see one example. Na4 Fe Na4 FeCN6. In this complex, the atomic number of the iron atom is equal to N is equal to 26. Next, we are using formula, that is EAN is equal to Z minus X plus L into D into what? 2. We are using that Z means the atomic number of the what? Metal atom, that is 26. Next, minus X means oxidation number of the metal atom. The oxidation number of this iron atom is, we can find out that in this complex the sodium metal atom is positive nature. That's why we are using +1. How many sodium atoms are there? 4 sodium atoms are there. That is +1 into 4 plus. Next, to which atom oxidation number we are find out, that we are using X. Next, to how many ligands are there? Cyanide ligands are there. Total 6 cyanide ligands are there. That's why we are using 6. Next, -1 means it is monodentate negative ligands. That's why we are using -1. Next is equal to 0 means it is neutralized compounds. There is no any charge. That's why we are using equal to 0. Next, +1 into 4 means +4. Next, plus X, that is +6 into -1 means -6 is equal to 0. Next, That is X is equal to total how much? Plus 2. Okay. Next, the oxidation number of iron atom is 2. That is 26 minus 2. Next, plus number of ligands. How many ligands are there? 6 ligands are there. That's why we are using 6. Denticity of this ligand is 1, means it is monodentate negative ligands. That's why we are using 1. Next, into 2. Into 2. Next, is equal An is equal to 26 minus 2, 24. Next, plus 6 into 1 into 2 means 12. That is An value is equal to 36. This complex An value is 36, means this 36 value equal to or nearer to inert gas element atomic number. That's why this complex is more stable. Inert gas element, which element? Krypton atomic number. Krypton atomic number is equal to 36. That's why this krypton atomic number 36 equal to, that is this An value. That's why this complex is more stable one. More stable one. We are using another example, that is cobalt 6 amine ligands 3 plus complex. Name of this complex is hexaamine cobalt 3 ion complex. In this complex, the atomic number of cobalt atom is 27. Next, minus X means oxidation number of the cobalt atom is. How to calculate the oxidation number? We are already know. X plus, next 6 ligands are there. This 6 ligands is neutralizer ligands, monodated neutralizer ligands. That's why we are using 0 is equal to how much? Plus 3. Next, X is equal to plus 3. The oxidation number of cobalt atom is how much? 3. Next, plus number of ligands. How many ligands are there? Total 6 ligands are there. Next, density of ligand is 1. It is monodentate neutral ligand. Next, into 2. Next, is equal 27 minus 3, 24 plus 6 into 1 into 2, 12 is equal to An value is equal to how much? 36. This 36 value equal to inert gas element atomic number of krypton. That is 36. That's why this complex also what? Stable one. Which complex An value is nearer to inert gas element atomic number? That complex is more stable. That's why this complex also stable complex. We are using another example. Next, we are using another example, cobalt An taken twice 3 plus. In this complex, the atomic number of cobalt is 27. Next, to oxidation number of cobalt atom is X plus. Next, how many ligands are there? Total 3 ligands are there. Next, it is bidentate neutral ligands. En means ethylene diamine ligands. These ligands also bidentate neutral ligands. That's why we are using 0. Next, is equal plus 3 charge. Next, X is equal to plus 3. 3 into 0 means 0. That is X is equal to plus 3. The atomic number of cobalt oxidation number is plus 3. Next, plus number of ligands. How many ligands are there? Total 3 ligands are there. Next, plus denticity of ligands. It is bidentate neutral ligands. That's why we are using That's why we are using 2. Next 2. Next 2 is equal 27 minus 3, 24 plus 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. Next to an value of this complex is 36. That's why this complex also equal to nearer inert gas element to krypton atomic number equal to krypton atomic number. That's why this complex also what? Stable 1. Stable complex. Next we will go to another example, that is palladium 6 amine ligands plus 4. In this complex, the atomic number of palladium is 46. 46. Next to minus oxidation number of this palladium ion is metal ion is X plus amine ligands are there, 6 ligands are there, it is neutral ligand, that's why we are using 0 is equal plus 4, total X is equal plus 4. The oxidation number of palladium atom is 4. Next plus number of ligands, how many ligands are there? Total 6 ligands are there. Next into density of ligands equal to 1. It is monodentate neutral ligand. That's why we are using 1 into what? 2. Next AN value 46 minus 4, 42 plus 6 into 1 into 2, 12. Total how much? 54. The AN value of this complex is how much? 54. This 54 value is equal to xenon atomic number. Inert gas element of xenon atomic number. That's why this complex also stable 1. This complex also stable 1. We will go to another example. In this complex, the platinum atomic number is 78 minus oxidation number of platinum is, it is monodentate negative ligands. That's why how many ligands are there? Total 6 ligands are there. That's why we are using minus 6 in calculation method. Go to plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2 how much? Plus 4. That's why the the oxidation number of platinum is how much? 4. Next plus and total ligands. Total ligands, how much how many ligands are there? 6 ligands are there. Next to density of ligands, it is monodentate negative ligand. That's why we are using 1 into how much? 2. Next is equal to 78 minus 4, 74 plus 6 into 1, 1 into 2, that is 12. AN value of this complex is 74, 12, 86. The AN value is 86. This 86 AN value nearer to radon atomic number. That is radon atomic number how much? 86. That's why this complex is stable 1. This complex is what? Stable 1. Okay. Thank you.